Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we have Mario Stumple on the call with us, the CEO of Yanda.io. And in this quick video, we are going to be diving into what automated crypto trading exactly is. And he's also going to tell us why we should be automating our trading in 2020. So Mario, I'm going to throw this over to you and it's your time.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Chris. Yes, automated trading is a big topic. Many are asking questions like, is automated trading a scam? Is automated trading safe? It depends which kind of software you're using. First of all, automated trading is not magic, right? So we don't promise you any profits. So Yanda, if you want to use it, Yanda is the software, is the infrastructure. And we are going to talk about that in a while. But automated trading doesn't mean that you send money, you put money into a magic box, and then poof, it's going to give you profits. You need to care a little bit about it, unless you're going to pay huge fees to funds that are quite unprofitable lately. So automated trading means that you are going to systematically buy and sell a certain asset against another asset that together they form a market pair at specific condition of the market. This specific condition can be dynamically changing while the strategy and of the trading bot you set goes, and some other they might be more rigid. Trading bot means that you are giving instruction, so yourself giving instruction to a machine and tell the machine what to do in different cases, in different scenarios. So what to do when the price drops, what to do if the price goes up, and what to do consequentially after the drop and after the spike. So this is what automated trading really is. And why should you automate that? Well, I started Yanda to solve my problem. I couldn't manage to keep up with a market that never sleeps. It's 24 hours per day, 30, the whole year long. It never stops. There is no break. There is no even one small second down. So, and the volatility is so high. Price changes are so sudden that if you're far from your computer and you cannot click in the proper moment, you may end up making losses, or you can miss profits opportunity. So that's why you should automate. And how would you automate? Well, with Yanda, we let you automate through our personal automated trading software. Is that enough, Chris? Do you want to have I don't know, other explanation? Am I being clear?
Yeah, for me, that answers the question perfectly. Do you want to give everyone why don't we just go ahead and show everyone how easy it is to actually create an automated trading bot?
Yes, of course. Actually, I put myself already on the Binance market pair of Ethereum Bitcoin because I really want to start a strategy with this pair. It's one of my favorite, both reliable currencies, Ethereum and Bitcoin. If I ended up with one or the other, I'm always happy, never complains about Ethereum or Bitcoin. So this is the first recommendation I want to give to the traders. Always choose market pairs in which both currencies, in this case, Ethereum and Bitcoin, that compose the pair itself, are okay with you. There are a lot of so-called shitcoin, probably we need a beep on that, but that are really...
No beep required.
No, it's fine. So there are many shitcoin, then let's tell that. So there are many shitcoin around that they have great performances. Sometimes like you see them 160% up and then suddenly they crash, boom. So it's kind of a risky move from sometimes to play with this kind of cryptocurrencies if you're not familiar with. Not saying you don't have to, but let's talk about the risk. Ethereum Bitcoin is quite safe pair. Again, if I end up with one of the other cryptocurrencies, I'm fine. I like them both. And I'd like to accumulate one or the other. in this specific case, I'd like to start a strategy with as low as 0.01 Bitcoin is what I have available on this test account. So what did I do? I need to look first in the available column of my funds, because if they're not available, then I cannot use them. So don't look at the total, don't look at locked, look at the available size. So you can just copy literally the whole amount you have on available balance and copy that into your investment size box. So first of all, I chosen Bitcoin. So I clicked on to Bitcoin, decided my investment size. Now I have to decide which is the stop loss I want to set for these currencies. So it's not so volatile anymore, although keeps a certain degrees of volatility, the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. So I say that with 30% of stop loss, I'm okay. As a matter of fact, you can move these bar with your right and left arrows of your laptop or PC. So that's going to be more helpful if you don't want to go with your mouse. That can be not really pointual. And now that we set the stop loss, we just need to understand which kind of expected profits from sell and from buy we want to expect. Now, before we decide that, my overall strategy is to increase the size of the Bitcoin. In this strategy, I will try and get the most out of this bot for increasing this amount in Bitcoin. So I'm happy. So first of all, the recommended profits of the bot are 0.517. We are at 0.3, therefore I need to place myself at least at 0.6 to see that white, unless you will end up making losses. Remember that. 0.6, I think, is a reasonable profits to expect from this pair that during the last 24 hours moved 2.88%. And I think that not going to be super greedy. I will leave a 0.6%. I will be happy with this on the sell. That means that, again, when I start the investment with 0.011, in this case, Bitcoin, the half of this amount is going to be immediately converted into Ethereum as soon as I click Start Trading Bot. That is going to define our entry point. So these orders that is going to fill the half of our initial investment is going to define our entry point, from which, so let's say that is going to be here. From that point, from where we start the strategy, the half of the Ethereum I buy will try to sell at 0.6% plus, so from these 0.6% up. And if the price will go down with the remaining 50% imbalance of the Bitcoin, I think I will try to catch a deep of, let's call it deep, even if it's not, of 1.50%. So if the price will drop 1.50%, I will buy more Ethereum. And then again, they will, both the whole amount I will have at this point in Ethereum will try to catch the 0.6% profits on a spike. I think that these parameters can bring some results. I say that I want to end my bot with Bitcoin, and I'm not going to be greedy. So I will lock my profits when I will reach 0.6%. So as soon as I make a change or two changes, it depends. So not many. So it's not going to be a long time-lasting bot. I'm going to accept my profits. The strategy is going to terminate itself. The bot is going to stop running, and it's going to send me a nice email to inform me about that. So again, those are the parameters with which we set our nice bot, and I'm going to start it right now. Right?
Start. Yeah, show us how it works.
So before we start, Yanda is asking me, please, Mario, you have selected the following parameters for your new trading strategy, new trading bot, as you want to call it. So let's review that. So base currency is Bitcoin. Then so the strategy with which we start is Bitcoin. The initial investment in Bitcoin is that one. The stop loss is at 30%. We're going to try and buy Ethereum at 1.5% and to sell Ethereum at 0.6 to get profits into Bitcoin. We didn't set up any advanced setups, so there is no upper start or lower start level, nor the kicking price. We are going to talk about that in another video where we're going to tackle the advanced setup parameters. We are going to try to end the strategy with Bitcoin, and we're going to try to lock profits at 0.6% in Bitcoin. The fee is 0.16 USD, which is the initial investment times the lock-in profits levels times the 20%, which is going to be returned to me if I don't make profits as I expected. But if I make more profits than I expected, I will not pay more than that. I will not share my strategy right now. The feature of trading strategy on the beta version is going to be deprecated. We are going to announce the C2C and so the social trading. I'm not going to tell you anything right now, but let's keep focus on our strategy. As soon as I click start the strategy now, then the bot start running. As you can see, Bitcoin available changed, Ethereum available changed. And if we go to the home page, actually I could have saw it already from the paths page. We'll do next time. But if I look on the trading bot running, here we are, our last Ethereum Bitcoin strategy just started with the parameter we set. And this is the first field we made for splitting the Bitcoin into two sides. This one is the current balance in Bitcoin, and this is the current balance in Ethereum. So I assume we just need to wait and see what this strategy is gonna do and how it's gonna perform. Again, you can monitor it from the homepage, as I showed you on my trading bot section, but you can also monitor it in the pair page of the Binance section in here. Don't get confused. If you don't remember which pair you have in strategy, you click in here and you can see that within active, I have 3 pairs. It means that I have strategies in all of those 3 pairs onto Binance. So if you click on them, you will again find some open strategy in here with your open orders related to the strategies you have opened in here and the fields that your strategies have executed here. I think it's enough right now.
Yeah, for me, I think everyone can see how easy it is to actually create a strategy on Yanda and just to automate the whole process, not to have to worry about it. If you've got any questions at all, you can either catch us in our Telegram group, which I will stick a link down to at the bottom of this video. Make sure you subscribe as well, because this is where we post all of our latest tutorials and updates about Yanda to help you with your automated trading. And if you want to send us an email, you can send us an email to support@yanda.io. I've got nothing else to add. Mario, have you got any last comments before we wrap this one up?
No, as you say, we're always here to help. So if you have any doubts or suggestions, don't hesitate, write to us.
Perfect. In that case, we'll see you all on the next video.
Ciao.